Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. The latest price of the new Samsung Galaxy A57 5G in Europe will reach at €800. According to the latest preliminary news data, the new upcoming Galaxy A57 5G will get a newer top-end version with a record memory upgrade in its Galaxy A series timeline. Price, configurations, colors and release date of the Galaxy A37 and A57. All our exclusive information is here. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Samsung is preparing an update to its mid-range smartphone lineup, the Galaxy A37 and Galaxy A57 5G. Ahead of the official announcement, not only images and specifications of the devices leaked online, but also the full pricing for France and the expected release date are revealed. One of the most telling leaks comes from Evan Blass, who published the product pages for both models on X, from the South African operator Vodacom. These pages reveal their design, some key features, and a triple lens camera module, 50, plus, 12, plus 5 megapixels for the Galaxy A57, and 50, plus, 8, plus, 5 megapixels for the Galaxy A37. Both are said to have a 5000 mAh battery. According to the leak, the Galaxy A37 5G will be available in 4 colors: graphite, white, dark green, and lavender. The Galaxy A37 5G will be available in 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage, and 8 GB of RAM, and 256 GB of storage versions, priced at €450 and €530 respectively. The Galaxy A57 5G will come with 3 memory configurations: 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage, 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, and for the first time in the series, 8 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage will be available. Prices in France, according to the leak, will be €550, €600, and €800. If this information is confirmed, the new models will be €50 to €70 more expensive than their predecessors, the Galaxy A36 and Galaxy A56. It is expected to run on Samsung's own Exynos 1680 processor, which early benchmark scores suggest could deliver 15 to 20% better performance compared to the Galaxy A56. Finally, although most rumors pointed to a March release, a few rumors claim that the new Galaxy A37 and Galaxy A57 will officially launch on April 10, 2026. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.